Hello guys, like we have some data here in Excel sheet and we put a filter here and select the data. Then you can see the serial number has changed. We also put another data here. The serial number has changed. Like this. So to correct the problem, we will use the subtotal formula is equal to subtotal. We will use the 3 number select COUNTA formula. Here we can select any data, like I have selected this semester. Now click colon button, again select D2. We will lock the first D2 by pressing F4 and then press enter. After that we will drag the formula to the bottom as far as the data is in the sheet. You can see that the serial number is not changing. Now all the numbers are coming in the sequence. Here we will use more filter where we change the data and see whether the serial number is sequence or not. If you like the video, then subscribe, follow, share and comment. Thank you.